Yes, students. In today's class, we will discuss industrial sector on the eve of independence. Now, what was the growth pattern? What was the position of industrial sector on the eve of independence? British rulers carried out systematic deindustrialization, which implies two things. One, decay of world famous traditional handicraft industry owing to discriminatory policies of the British government. And secondly, bleak growth of modern industry owing to lack of investment opportunities. Now, some important causes of decay of handicrafters. Why handicraft industry was on downfall during British rule? Firstly, discriminatory tariff policy of the state. So, first factor responsible for this decay of handicraft industry is discriminatory tariff policy of the state. As British needed raw material for their industries and market for final products, so they found India as a best source of both raw material and market for final product. So they allowed tariff-free export of raw material and import of British industrial products. This was all tariff-free into India, but placed a heavy duty on the export of Indian goods, due to which Indian handicraft products started losing their domestic as well as foreign market, which resulted in decay of handicrafts. Now, second factor is disappearance of princely quotas. Now, period to British rule, quotas in India were run by Nawabs, Rajas, Mahajanas, Rajas and princes, etc., who patronized the handicrafts, because of which this industry acquired international reputation. Beginning of British rule implied the end of princely quotas and hence end of state patronage to the handicraft, which consequently started decaying, and so its downfall started during the British rule. Now then, third factor which is responsible for decay of world famous handicraft industry, that is competition from machine made products. As machine made products were low cost products as compared to handicrafts and gave a stiff competition to the handicrafts in India. Moreover, machine made products were better in quality, hence competition forced Indian craftsmen to shut down their enterprise forever. Now, fourth factor which is responsible for decay of Indian handicraft industry, that is new pattern of demand. Due to import of British culture, a new class emerged in India who were keen to adopt British lifestyle. That means they were keen to adopt Western lifestyle. Hence, demand for British products increased and consequently decreased for Indian products. Now, then, fifth factor which is responsible for introduction for decay of Indian handicrafts, that is introduction of railways in India. As British government introduced railways in India to facilitate transportation of British products across different parts of country. Consequently, size of market for low cost British products tended to expand and started shrinking for the high cost Indian products. As you know, the handicrafts are high cost as compared to machine products. This hastened the process of decay of Indian handicrafts.